Friends, I'm your host or from Technuter review. Today I come with Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. We will do unboxing and first impression of this smartphone. So first we will talk about the specification of this smartphone. So screen size of this smartphone is 5.9 inch. It comes with full HD display. This device comes with in two variants, 3GB variants and 4GB variants. 3GB variants comes with 32GB internal storage and 4GB variants comes with 64GB internal storage. Back camera of this device comes with dual lens setup, where one lens is 13 megapixel and second one is 5 megapixel. Front camera comes with 8 megapixel with soft light LED flashes. Processor in this device is Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 and battery is 5000 mAh, which is pretty well for more than 1 day usage. Apart from it, this device also record 4K video, full HD video and HD video. So friends, these are all everything about the specification of this smartphone. Now we quickly open this box and we will check what inside this box. So friends, we just open this box and we go inside here. We'll check what are some things. So on the top here we see this is a SIM ejector tool. Apart from it, what inside here, this is a user guide and this is a Asus warranty information form. We keep it here. And this is our Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. This is pretty well, and here you can see the back camera setup. This is dual lens setup. One is 13 megapixel and one is 5 megapixel with flash, and this is a fingerprint sensor. We keep it aside and we will check what else here. Inside this box, this is charging adapter and this is the charging cord. So these are something inside this box. We will keep everything aside and we will talk about the design of this smartphone. So on the back side here you can see this is a 3.5mm audio jack, this is charging port area and this is a speaker. On the right hand side, this is a volume rocker key, power button, and left hand side this is a SIM tray area. So we quickly check how many slots inside the SIM tray. So we are going to check. So friend, here you can see there are 3 slots in the SIM tray area, 2 for the SIMs and 1 for the micro SD card. This is a pretty well, and here you can see. So now we quickly go inside this smartphone and we will check how is the display and what else in this smartphone. So friend, this is the very first look of this device, Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 display area. Here you can see it's pretty well, and the viewing angle of this smartphone is pretty well. You can see I'm rotating this device in every direction and you are able to see the display here. Apart from it, the screen ratio of this smartphone is 18:9 and it is pretty well. Here you will easily able to watch any video pretty well here. Apart from it, navigation keys are on the top of the screen here like this. Here you can see navigation keys are here. And one more thing which I like in this smartphone is that this smartphone comes with the stock Android apps. There are no any bloatware like the other Asus Zenfone devices where we found that there are too many preloaded apps or bloatware apps. Those are the totally unnecessary for the common consumers. So this is a pretty well and good thing by the Asus. Apart from it, we quickly go inside the setting area and we'll check what else here. Inside setting area, here on the top here we will see network and internet, connected devices, battery, display, sound, storage, security and location, Google system. Inside the system area we go inside the about phone area. Here we will see the Android version. It is 8.1.0. this means this device runs on the latest operating system. Okay, now we go quickly inside the camera area and we will check what are good things in here. So we are inside the camera area and this is the at auto. So here there are too many modes like auto, HDR, portrait, landscape, sports, flower, backlight, candlelight, sunset, night, beach, snow. These are some modes inside this smartphone. Apart from it, on the gear icon here you can see flash, GPS, location, picture size. Maximum picture size is 13 megapixel and minimum is you can see QVGA. Apart from it, storage, countdown, continuous shot, face detection, ISO, exposure, white balance, red eye reduction, shutter sound. These are some things. Apart from it, once we click on the video and we will check. So on the video quality here I want to show you one thing. First I'm just off the flash. Yeah, here you can see the video quality. You can make 4K video by this smartphone. 2 types of the 4K video, one is 4K DCI and one is 4K UHD. Apart from it, you can make HD video, full HD video, HD video, VGA, CIF and QVGA. So this is pretty well for all of those kind of consumers who want to make the 4K content by using a smartphone. Now I want to show you some images which I captured by this smartphone. So here you can see the picture quality of this, and I want to show the original. Yeah, this is the object, and here you can see the picture quality is pretty well, because what I liked in this picture quality that I captured it because the quality of the image is very similar of this object. You can see it's no any extra exposure here. You can see. Apart from it, I want to show you the front camera samples. Here you can see the front camera sample is also very good. Here you can see the picture quality is pretty well here. Apart from it, again second one, so front camera is also good. Again here you can see the picture quality, and this is the again by using the back camera. Here you can see the Spider-Man here. So front and back is pretty well. Again this is by using the back camera and back camera. So front and back camera both are good, and again I will share more images for which I captured through these devices in near future. Apart from it, I want to show you the notification area. Inside the notification area you will find here Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, do not disturb, flashlight, portrait mode, battery saver, mobile data, airplane mode, cast. These are some things inside the notification area. So friend, this is my unboxing and first impression video of Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. Hope you liked this video. So friend, please like this video, share this video and subscribe my channel Technuter Review. I will come very soon with different device. For that time, thanks.